Welcome to Activity 13, Missing Number Equations. This board has 3 separate games. Do one game in each session. In the first game, the missing numbers are all a part in the addition equations. For addition, it's part add part equals whole. So the missing part is the number that matches the spinner. To complete this activity, you need 6 transparent counters in one colour. To help me here today, I have Karis, and she will be player 1. The aim of the game is to place 3 counters consecutively. That means without a gap. The player who places the 3rd counter is the winner. So Karis, you're on the left, so you get to go first.
Okay.
And you're thinking, what joins with the part of 4 to make 5?
1 add 4 equals 5.
Excellent. And I've spun the part of 5, and I think 0 joins with this, so I'm going to say 0 add 5 equals 5. Now, Karis, good before you spin. Good news, if you spin a
3.
you're the winner chicken dinner. You can go again. Oh!
3 add 2 equals 5.
5 add 0 equals 5. Now, if you get either of these two, you're the winner.
0 add 5 equals 5.
Good. Karis couldn't place it because I already have. And I got the 3, so I say 2 add 3 equals 5, and because I was the player to make 3 in a row, I win for that game. Now it's your turn.